Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can record screen with Streamlabs. So first step you need to do is to open Streamlabs. So once you open, you simply need to click on this plus icon in the sources, and here you can see essential sources, and here you can see screen capture. Click on that, click on add source, and if you want to change the name you can do from here and click on add source. So once you are here you can see the capture game, and here is the screen. So select it and click on done and click here, and now it will start capturing my screen that is shown here. So this is the process that you need to follow to capture the screen with the help of Streamlabs. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.